In this video, I'll teach you how to enable the AutoFilter feature for every table in Microsoft Project. Help! Somebody has disabled the AutoFilter feature in Microsoft Project, and I don't know how to turn it back on. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. So let's get started. So here's the deal. I just inherited this project, and the previous project manager somehow disabled the Auto Filter Pick List button that's in the column header of every column in Microsoft Project. By the way, what I mean by the Auto Filter Pick List button is that little drop-down arrow button that's in the lower right corner of every column heading. When I looked around in the project at other tables like the Work table, the Auto Filter Pick List button is missing there. It's missing in the Cost table. It's missing everywhere. So how do I re-enable the Auto Filter Pick List button in every column of Microsoft Project? Here's how. Click the View tab to display the View ribbon. Then click the Filter Pick List button, and way down at the bottom of the menu, hiding out in plain sight so we can never find it, is the Display AutoFilter option. If I select that option, there we have it. There's the AutoFilter Pick List button. When I click the AutoFilter Pick List button, there's the AutoFilter menu, so I can auto-filter my way to paradise. By the way, this feature is an individual project feature that can be disabled in individual projects if needed. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like the way that I taught you how to use this trick with Microsoft Project, maybe your company would be interested in hiring me to teach your project managers and/or schedulers to use Microsoft Project. If you're interested, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you right away. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.